Make a great choice today with the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, trailering package, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.